What's up, everyone? Eddie Chase here once again. This is Free Forex Trades, episode number 5, where we're going to be going over some trades that we're looking to get into throughout the week. So today is Monday, September 20th, the start of a fresh, brand new week. We're going to call out a few trades that we're looking to get into, and hopefully you guys can take those trades and profit with us. So by the end of the week on Friday, we're going to go over these trades again, and we're going to see how they actually played out throughout the week. So stay tuned because we're about to go over these trades right now. Alright guys, so just to jump right into it, I want to make this one really quick. Our first trade that we're looking at is BTCUSD. If you guys didn't know, BTCUSD is Bitcoin, and we are looking for a long on Bitcoin. And the reason why we're looking for a long on Bitcoin is because it is uptrending. And then right now, it is currently retesting a key level of support again. At first, it came up all the way up here to this key level of resistance at 52,000. So we were looking to break this level right here. This is a very critical level. We're looking to break that level to see if we can get a pop, and then we can come right back down to hold it as support and then take off and potentially even go all the way up to even 100K. But we ended up getting a rejection at the 52K level. You see it came all the way down, right back down to our key level over here of 42,000, 42 and 43,000. And now we popped up again. We rejected off of the mid-level 48K key level. And now we came right back down again, really hard this time, right back down to the 42,000 or 43,000 key level. So right now what we're going to look for is a confirmation to enter a long position to take it right back up to 48K. And we're going to see if we can retest this 48K key level and potentially even break it and come up again. Now, if Bitcoin comes down below this 42K key level and it comes all the way to the bottom under, let's say, 40,500, and it breaks below, at this point, unfortunately, sad to say, we're probably going to end up looking for shorts to come back down because it's going to look bearish at this point. So as of right now, we're going to stick with the long bias because the price action is telling us that it's uptrending. And right now, it's currently just retesting this key level. So as of right now, we need a nice strong confirmation in order to let us know that it's good to enter this trade long and take it right back up to 48K. And from there, we're going to look to see what we'll do. But as of right now, that's what we're looking for. Going on to the next trade, I'm going to go into USDCAD again. If you saw the recap video for episode number 4, then you would have seen that I did catch some trades in here for about 70 something pips. But we missed this whole entire move, and unfortunately, that's the move that we were looking for. But that's the name of the game. You can't catch them all. But here's the best part about it. The best part about it is that we're still looking for longs on USDCAD. And what we're looking for now is just a retest of the key level here that we had so much resistance at. And this key level is 12700. So 1.2700 is the key level we're looking to retest on. We're looking to find a nice support and confirmation here to enter a long position to take it back up to these highs again over here on USDCAD. So we're going to continue looking for longs, but we're going to wait for it to come down, give us a nice strong support here at 12700 and potentially take it all the way up to the highs up here around 12900 or so. So that's what we're going to look for on USDCAD. Next trade that we're going to look at, GBPUSD. So what we're looking for on GBPUSD is, as you see here, we are on a uptrend and it has finally come to a support level here. As you can see, it broke all the way up here to the top here at to 1.41500 or so, and it came all the way back down and it's retesting here at this support. And you see here that many times it hits the support here, bounces off support, bounces off, comes back down again here, it came out a little bit lower, but again bounced off, again bounced off, bounced off. So what do you see here? So many rejections here at this level at 1.36500, right? Somewhere right around this level, you see a lot of rejection here. So you know that this is a very big critical level on GBPUSD. So what we're looking for now is, since price has been kind of uptrending and it did do a double top here at around 1.41600 or so, it did do a double top and it did reject and it came down pretty hard. And we do see that GBPUSD is downtrending here, as you see, and it also is doing the same thing here from the bottom to the top. It's forming a what is called a wedge pattern, which basically means that price is bouncing around between this support and this resistance, and it's coming back down and up, and it tried to break above, it came all the way back down. You see it rejected perfectly right off of that same trend line that it formed. Since we are at this trend line and also at this key level of support that I showed you, what we're looking for on GBPUSD is a push back up to come to the top of this trend line again and potentially even break it and even go further. Because what we really want is the full move where it will break and it will come all the way back up to retest 141,700. That's really the move that we're looking for. Now this is going to be a swing trade, obviously, but as of right now, even from the bottom of this wedge trend line to the top of the wedge trend line is quite a big move as well. And we're going to go into the 1 hour so you guys can see a little bit more detail. So if we get a nice confirmation here at this level at 1.36600 or 1.36500, somewhere around here, if we get a nice entry right now, a nice confirmation to enter, we could potentially take this trade all the way back up to the top of this wedge trend line, and we could put a nice stop loss here, maybe under these lows here, because we're looking for a swing trade. So as of right now, if we do get a confirmation here, we could potentially take this all the way up for a 1 to 3.63 risk to reward, which means that what we're risking, we're looking to make more than 3.5 times more than what we're risking. So this is an excellent risk reward. Of course, we would take profits along the way if we were to enter this trade and we were to get the confirmation. Right off the bat, I see that there's a level right here that I would be taking profits at right here. First of all, I would take profits always at the top of the key level, because I always like to take profits here at the top of the key level if it's at least 20 pips or more. TP2 would be right here at 1.37300 or so. That would be also a very good level to take profits at. And then moving forward up top, I see another level up here where I would probably want to take some profits at for a TP3 and eventually hit my TP4 over here. So just to measure it out real quickly, if we do enter this trade, I would look to get to about 31 pips when I come up to the top of the key level at 1.36880. The TP number 2, we would have 77 pips. TP number 3 would be about 140 pips. And then all the way up to TP5 in the top of the trend wedge trend line, we're getting close to about 195, close to 200 pips, depending on what happens at this point. So this is definitely a swing trade. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. So this is something that I'm looking to get into right here. And just for the last trade that I want to go into real quickly, I usually do like 3 trades, but I'm going to do a 4th trade here. It's NAS 100, which is the NASDAQ. And if you notice here on NASDAQ 100, we noticed that price has been uptrending very strongly for quite a long time. As you see, we have a steady uptrend. We do see a pullback here at this key level now. Actually, we had a key level that was up here at around 15,150. We had a nice key level, maybe somewhere in the middle here, 15,200. We saw a nice push above and it came down, but it slammed right below with all the bearishness that's been going on with the market just today. And it stopped right there and actually gave a rejection there, but we're still going to wait. All right. It gave a rejection here at 14,850. This is another key level, as you can see back here. It has rejected several times here. So now that it rejected here, what we're going to wait and see is we're going to wait for a pullback to see another confirmation here at 14,850. Potentially even a stop hunt, just like we saw back here at these levels when it came down and it broke down all the way below and then it shot up. We might look for something like that also, because indices are very tricky, and this is the NASDAQ 100, which is the tech sector, and it is very tricky as well. So we might look for something like that. But if we do see a confirmation here, we will take the trade right here as well, and we'll take it right back up to these levels here at 15,200. As always, first only if we get a confirmation. So those are going to be the trades that we're looking at right now. NASDAQ 100 still very bullish, even though we've seen price come down very strong today. A lot of people get scared when they see this, and they should be. But at the same time, you're never going to have to be scared if you follow proper risk management and you always follow your plan when it comes to trading. This is how we trade in the ECFX community. This is how we trade the 100 pip club strategy. We always manage our risk, and we make sure that we're not over leveraging like most traders do in the market today. And that's the reason why we don't blow accounts and why we are more successful trading the 100 pip club strategy. All right, guys, that's going to be it for Free Forex Trades episode number 5. These are some of the trades that we're going to look into this week. Just want to let you guys know that there's a lot of high impact news this week that's going to affect the market, so trade safe. Anytime that there's high impact news, you want to lower your risk and trade less. You never want to trade more. You never want to over leverage. You always want to manage your risk always. That's the way you will become successful in trading, by managing your risk always. 100 pip club strategy is what we teach here. This is how we manage our risk. We always constantly manage our risk all the time. If you've been watching the videos, you see that we always preach risk management. That's the number one thing that we show you here in ECFX. So if you guys want to learn more about how to identify these key levels or how I find these trades so easily, just check out my website, www.eddiechasefx.com. We have our day trading course on there, which teaches the 100 pip club strategy. This is what we trade, guys. Very simple and very teachable, very easy to learn this. If you guys want to be added to our free Discord channel, check me out at EddieChaseFX on Instagram. I have the link in my bio to our free Discord. If you guys like the videos that I'm doing, please like and subscribe to our page so we can grow our page and continue to do these videos for you. So show some love, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.